Hello everybody, this is Sedona, and today we are putting Sedona in a bitless bridle that is a basic side pull. Okay, this is a leather side pull and it's got a rope nose piece. Now we're going by the 2-finger rule. This bone right here, we want to have 2 fingers in between where that bone is and the tip of the nose. We also want to make sure we have 2 fingers away from the eye, and down here we have at least 3 fingers for our throat latch. So it fits pretty good. Now what makes the rope different is it has 2 points of pressure as opposed to being something solid. Now that means it isolates the pressure onto these 2 basic pressure points right here. So when we pull, you can see that she's actually responding and giving to that signal as opposed to a straight line. So this is Sedona's first time in a side pull, and it is exactly that. It is meant to be used on the side. That means direct rein. So if I want to go to my right, I am going to pull to the right. I realize this is backwards, but if it goes the direction I pull, but as you can see, I'm actually going to use a direct rein. Now, the rein that is over the neck right here, that is my indirect rein. In order for her to understand how the side pull works, we're gonna do a couple of little exercises. Number 1, the first exercise we should be able to do is reach up halfway from the neck, just with our thumb and forefinger, and she should give. She should give and she should stop. We've been working on this. Whoa, give and stop. So we've got to give and stop on one side. We'll come up to the other. Ooh. And I'm going to ask her to flex and give her head to the side, or flex laterally. So the lateral flex is going to be our first exercise to make sure that she is really going to give to the side pull. Now, remember, it's concentrated pressure on those 2 ropes right across the nose. Now, the next exercise we're going to ask her to actually give her head and back. Now, we're backing off of our seat, so our hands are going to be out a little ways and flutter and back. And I want her to tuck her nose. Good. Pull, pull, pull. And I'm giving a little bit of a signal and she's backing. Good. So I know I can walk forward. Ooh, I gotta stop. Really close, I know. And back. And I'm gonna try to, no. I'm gonna try to back as straight as possible. So I'm going to use my phone for a line. There you go. So she's giving side to side. This time she stopped. Side to side. And then, of course, we're going to go wide and ask for the back until she gives her nose. There. Once she gives her nose, we know that she is listening to that side pull. So those are a couple of just basic little exercises that you can do using a side pull, just to kind of make sure that your horse is going to give. Remember that spiral down to a 1-rein stop is always important. Sit back, say, whoa, and the horse should stop, and when they stop, release. So basically, we know that the horse is not going to run away with this particular side pull. And she's getting nice and flexy with it. See, there we go, nice and flexy. Inside rein and outside rein. So she's listening to the direct rein and the indirect rein. So I have that indirect rein, which is the outside rein. I'm using outside leg and outside rein. There you go. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And remember, to see more about side pulls, check out the side pull playlist. Right, Sedona?